Hi, Brad Wenstrup here. I'm pleased to speak to you after watching this year's State of the Union address. Tonight, President Trump laid out a vision for the future, which builds on the successes of the past couple of years. The State of the Union address comes on the heels of another positive jobs report. Over 300,000 new jobs were added just this January, beating every expectation. This economic boom didn't happen by accident. It came as a result of pro-growth policies like tax reform and cleaning up an overly burdensome regulatory regime. So now that we've laid the foundation of a strong economy, we have the opportunity to do much more, to enact policies to expand prosperity, improve the quality of life of all Americans. Employment and a sense of dignity relieves many burdens for so many of our fellow Americans. As a doctor, I was encouraged to hear that President Trump is committed to lowering healthcare costs. This is a serious problem. We all know that, particularly for anyone managing a chronic illness. Those of you that are in that situation understand that. I'm eager to work with my colleagues on the Ways and Means Committee and with the White House to ensure that we make our healthcare system more affordable and sensible, with quality care that focuses on the patient. As a doctor, that's always been my priority. Hand in hand with healthcare, I was encouraged that Ashley Evans from Kettering, Ohio, was one of the president's special guests tonight. Like so many Americans, Ashley struggled with opioid and substance abuse, but has been helped along the way in her recovery by a local medical care facility. Last year, Congress passed the Support for Patients and Communities Act to help people like Ashley work towards a recovery. I look forward to continuing to find ways we can fight the opioid crisis with the opportunity to thrive and succeed as one of the outcomes. Another important issue is keeping America safe, which begins at home. Increasing security at our borders and ports of entry is important to keep Americans safe and keep drugs off our streets and epidemics from coming into our country. We can't continue to expect our Border Patrol agents to do more without an increase in resources. Many types of resources from the barriers in Southern California to technology to detect drugs, all are necessary to keep our borders secure and our country safe. Let's work toward a system where people immigrate legally and enter our country embraced by the promise that stands behind the Statue of Liberty. By working together, we can keep America safe, strong, and prosperous. But the path forward is one we have to walk together. And I look forward to working with my colleagues to try and deliver results for Ohio and for all of America. I'm Brad Wenstrup. Thanks for visiting the office.